Hi guys. All right, so today we're going to learn about Puritanism. That is the next literary time period. First we learned about Native American literature, then we learned about colonial literature, and now we're moving on to Puritanism. Please take note in your notebook over this lesson. You will be turning that in as a screenshot so I can see that you did take the notes. Puritanism began in 1620 and went through about 1790. It was typically written by those who were leaving Europe to find religious freedom, which is similar with colonial literature. This society was dominated by rules and fear of sin, and a result, spending eternity in hell. They did everything they could to scare people into believing in God and acting a certain way. Otherwise, if they didn't follow the societal rules, they would end up in hell. Literature from this time period is typically in the form of sermons, poetry, diary entries, and moral-based stories. They used these sermons to scare their congregations into following a pure life, hence the word Puritanism. Their poetry was typically about God, and they used moral-based stories to teach children why they should live a pure life. Authors from this time period include Anne Bradstreet, Edward Taylor, and Jonathan Edwards.